The Yorke Peninsula's Saltwater Classic 2024 is a celebration of maritime heritage and timeless elegance, drawing enthusiasts and spectators alike to the scenic shores of South Australia's Yorke Peninsula. While the event is primarily known for its spectacular displays of wooden and classic craft, it also offers a unique opportunity to delve into the world of vintage cars, adding an extra layer of nostalgia and charm to the festivities. Vintage car aficionados will be delighted to discover a treasure trove of automotive history lining the picturesque foreshores of Stansbury and Port Vincent. From sleek roadsters to majestic cruisers, each vehicle tells a story of a bygone era, evoking a sense of nostalgia and admiration among onlookers. As visitors meander through the meticulously curated displays, they'll have the chance to marvel at the intricate craftsmanship and timeless design of these vintage automobiles. Whether it's the gleaming chrome accents of a classic Cadillac or the graceful curves of a vintage Porsche, every car exudes an air of sophistication and elegance that harkens back to a simpler time. But the Saltwater Classic isn't just about admiring these vintage beauties from afar. It's also an opportunity to engage with the passionate owners and enthusiasts who lovingly restore and maintain these automotive treasures. Visitors can chat with owners, learn about the history and provenance of each car, and perhaps even catch a glimpse of them in action as they cruise along the coastal roads of the Yorke Peninsula. In addition to the vintage car displays, the Saltwater Classic offers a wealth of other attractions and activities to enjoy. From on-water spectacles featuring majestic tall ships to vibrant seaside markets showcasing local art, crafts, and regional produce, there's something for everyone to enjoy at this annual event.